To begin to solve our equations algebraically, I'm going to assign them each a number. So we have equation 1, 2, and 3. Now when I first look at the equations, I know that equation number 2 is missing a y, equation number 3 is missing a z. So I can use that to go ahead and isolate the variable. So my first step is going to be to add equation 1 and 2. There's no need to multiply them by everything. They're perfect to add together now and isolate a variable. So I have x plus y plus z is equal to 2. I'm going to add it to x minus z is equal to 1. And I'm going to add those together, and what will happen is that I have 2x plus y, the z's will cancel out, is equal to 3. And that'll be my equation number 4. Now what I'm going to do, if I look at my equation number 3, is if I multiply that one by a negative 1, I can add that right to my equation number 4. So that's going to be my second step. So I'm going to multiply equation 3 by negative 1, and I'm going to add it to 4. So it'll be negative x, negative y equal to negative 1. And I'm going to add that to equation number 4, which was 2x plus y is equal to 3. When I add those two equations together, I will get a negative x, y's will cancel out, is equal to 2, which means that x is equal to 2. And I'm going to use that, x is equal to 2, and I'm going to substitute it into equation number 3. So I'm going to sub x is equal to 2 into 3. So I would have 2 plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to negative 1. And the next step, I'm going to substitute the x is equal to 2 and the y is equal to negative 1 into equation number 1. So that'll be 2 minus 1 plus z is equal to 2. So I'll have z is equal to 1. So now I have an answer of 2, negative 1, and 1. Now that I've found my solution of 2, negative 1, and 1, my last and most important step is to substitute them into each equation to verify that they satisfy each equation. Because if they don't, then they're not the solution. And you need to go back and redo that solution. Okay, so in my first equation, I'm going to substitute 2, negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The ones would cancel. I have 2 is equal to 2. Equation 1 is satisfied. In my next equation, in equation number 2, I'm going to substitute 2 for x, and minus z would be minus 1, and test if that's equal to 1, which it is. It satisfies equation number 2. And my last equation, equation number 3, substitute the 2, minus 1, and is that equal to 1? It is, so it satisfies all three equations. So I verified that 2, negative 1, and 1 is the solution.